An entry door does more than provide access to your home. It plays a key role in defining its character, style, and overall curb appeal. In Eagle, where residential architecture ranges from classic designs to modern builds, choosing the right entry door helps create a cohesive and welcoming exterior. The best entry door styles complement the home's architecture while also supporting comfort, durability, and everyday functionality. Traditional entry doors for timeless homes. Many homes in Eagle feature traditional architectural elements such as balanced proportions, pitched roofs, and classic exterior finishes. For these homes, paneled entry doors are a popular choice. They offer a timeless look that feels warm and inviting without overpowering the home's design. Doors with raised or recessed panels, subtle detailing, and neutral colors blend naturally with traditional architecture. Some homeowners choose doors with small glass inserts to allow light into the entryway while maintaining privacy. This style preserves a classic appearance while adding a touch of elegance. Craftsman-inspired doors for character and detail. Craftsman-style homes are known for their attention to detail, natural materials, and welcoming front entrances. Entry doors that reflect this style often feature clean lines, solid construction, and handcrafted details. In Eagle neighborhoods where craftsman influences are present, doors with vertical panels, square glass inserts, or simple hardware work especially well. These designs emphasize quality and craftsmanship, helping the front of the home feel grounded and thoughtfully designed. Modern entry doors for contemporary homes. For newer or more modern homes in Eagle, entry doors with sleek designs and minimal detailing are often the best fit. Modern entry doors focus on clean lines, smooth surfaces, and bold visual impact. Homeowners may choose doors with large glass panels, minimalist hardware, or striking color contrasts. These doors create a strong focal point and enhance the home's contemporary appeal. When paired with simple landscaping and modern exterior finishes, a modern entry door can dramatically elevate curb appeal. Transitional styles for versatile appeal. Some homes in Eagle blend traditional and modern elements, making transitional entry doors an ideal option. These doors strike a balance between classic design and modern simplicity, allowing them to work well with a wide range of architectural styles. Transitional doors often feature subtle paneling, clean lines, and understated glass accents. This versatility makes them a popular choice for homeowners who want a refined look without leaning too heavily in one design direction. Doors with glass accents. For added light, glass accents are a common feature across many entry door styles. Whether used sparingly or as a larger design element, glass allows natural light to brighten entryways and create a more open feel inside the home. In Eagle homes, decorative glass options can enhance visual interest while maintaining privacy. Frosted, textured, or patterned glass provides light without exposing the interior, making it a practical and stylish addition to many architectural styles. Choosing colors that complement the home color plays an important role in how an entry door fits with a home's exterior. Neutral tones create a cohesive look, while bold colors add personality and contrast. The key is choosing a color that complements siding, stonework, or trim rather than competing with it. Many Eagle homeowners use their entry door as a design statement, selecting colors that reflect personal style while enhancing the home's architectural features. Blending style with function. While style is important, entry doors must also perform well. A door that fits properly, opens smoothly, and feels solid contributes to daily comfort and peace of mind. The best entry door styles combine visual appeal with dependable performance, ensuring the home looks great and functions well. For Eagle homeowners, selecting the right entry door means honoring the home's architecture while creating a welcoming, well-designed entrance that stands the test of time.